This is CAC's lightweight through shaft. This is the complete assembly. This through shaft is 1 3/4 inch outside diameter. Inside it is hollow, so it's kept very lightweight, but it supplies a lot of beam strength for heavy rolls of material. This shaft is about 35 inches long, and it only weighs 9.5 pounds. When you incorporate the air chuck and the end plug onto the through shaft, it only weighs 13 pounds. So it stays very lightweight for your operators to handle very easily. The way the shaft is manufactured, it is manufactured from tubular steel, and we use round tubing. This is a cutaway section, obviously, so you can see the internal construction. This is made of, again, 1 3/4 inch outside diameter steel. The center is hollow, and then we insert into each end solid steel plugs that start out round, and then we machine them square to fit into our safety chucks. The ends are welded into the ends of the tubular steel, so it becomes one assembly. So that's what the assembly looks like on the inside. That's the cutaway view. But when it's assembled, complete, this is the through shaft with the ends welded in place. So prior to this video, I marked this through shaft where I want the end plug to line up. So there's a mark here. So I slide the end plug on. I take my Allen wrench, and if you can see when I tighten up that set screw, you'll see that the split bushing close and lock onto the through shaft. So now that end plug is in place on the through shaft. On the opposite end, I also marked where I wanted my air chuck to be. So I slide the air chuck on. And again, when I tighten up this set screw, that split bushing locks the air chuck in place on the through shaft. I'm going to take this assembly, I'm going to insert it into the roll, or it could be an empty core, either way. As you can see, the air chuck slides very easily into the core, and then I flip it up, and now that edge of the roll is oriented properly in the machine. It can only go so far because it's up against the core stop flange on the end plug. I take my air inflating tool, inflate the air chuck. Now the air chuck is locked in place, the core is locked onto the air chuck, and the roll can't go anywhere. So here's the complete assembly.